Maximity is a small, caring organisation.
They've got the finger on the pulse when it comes to technology. They know which way things are heading.
They've just got a great reputation for helping businesses use software more effectively.
We're different because we're trying to come at it from a human and a business perspective, not just from a technology perspective.
I know you're recording this and I'm not giving you an answer.
I started Maximity back in 2000, so quite a while ago now. The way that we're different to a lot of our competitors is that we've got business knowledge as well as technical knowledge. So we understand the impact of technology within a business from a human perspective.
And that usually involves solving business issues, either simplifying the business process, looking at the efficiency of how the business is running, and some of the IT process challenges that people are facing.
We've built up a huge knowledge base of different types of companies that have got different types of software that we can go to and look at whether or not a system would be fit for purpose for a client.
We can establish a proposal and develop checkpoints throughout so that we can then follow up and support after the delivery, ensuring that they're getting all of the support they need.
Probably 2010 or 2011, we needed a network system and we needed training at the time. So Maximity popped up and we've been working with them ever since.
When I needed some training to help me use Excel and PowerPoint and Teams, then Maximity was my obvious port of call.
We provide two fundamental services. One is in training and the other is in consultancy, and sometimes bespoke training, and that can be in person, it can be online, and it can be virtual training. We also do consultancy, so that involves software implementation, software development, project management, change management, and IT strategy, and generally solving any business issues or challenges or changes.
We also do Power Apps development, so we're looking at development work around systems, so we can write you applications that will run on your mobile device, run on a tablet, run on your desktop. We also do data analysis, whether that's on Excel, whether it's within Sage 50, whether it's in Business Central, or whether it's on Power BI.
We also provide coaching one-to-one, so if people are struggling or have got to the end of their understanding of Excel and want to go into a deeper level, then we can do that, or a coding or any aspect of IT really.
The great thing about undertaking training with Maximity is the time they take beforehand to make sure that the client's going to get the most from their training investment. For each of the training courses I took, every member of the team asked me how I used the software, what I currently used it for and what I was hoping to use it for, so that they could tailor the training to suit my needs. And that to me was brilliant.
We've got a very, very wide client base, but that's because every company needs technology. We work with local councils, we work with big corporates, we work with sole traders, we work with small businesses.
I think it's really important for us to get to know the client. It's not just about what they're asking for.
Clients like it because we will ask that why. Why do you do it like that? And we will keep asking why until we've got to the heart of a problem.
We care deeply about the outcome and what success looks like, and working with the client to ensure that vision of success, that vision of the output is really clear.
That is what makes them unique, an ability just to be able to make sense of what we're looking for, what we need, what the pros and cons of any different program or system are.
With training, we always say that if we've trained you on something, you can contact us afterwards to get support on any area that we've trained you in. It's all about that end-to-end journey. In all of our training, we get great feedback.
I think they're very good value for money, very easy to get on with, just nice people to deal with.
We've got a huge amount of experience. We know how to do things the right way to achieve the right outcomes.
We know typically the areas where people are going to get stuck because we've trained thousands of people across the years.
As a result of the training sessions, I am now so much more confident at using Teams, PowerPoint and Excel. And that knowledge will save me hours of time.
Our pleasure and what matters to us is our clients' success and seeing the things that we do make a difference to their organisations.
If anybody mentions they need any help with tech, they're the only company I'll mention. I'll just tell them to talk to Tracy at Maximity.